So it's a video walkthrough of this one bedroom on South Huntington. So as soon as we walk in, we have the refrigerator right there, electric stove, vents, cabinets up top, cabinets below, a sink right there. We got the bathroom over here. All right, toilet, shower tub combo. We have a sink over here. All right. And then we have the living room, which is being used as another bedroom. Okay. Closet right there. And a couple of windows overlooking South Street. And back out of the living room. And the bedroom over here. Okay, so good sized bedroom. Closet right there, and window right over there. And there's laundry downstairs. All right, hope you enjoyed the video walkthrough.